Yaba mu nyina wache makwa babiem ebre we di sere asemi dika dwumadie ebebrɛw na sɛne de bia ye no yɛka ensɛm a yɛtwempanfo adwen esi so ne ɔse ya bebinti yɛbuani ɛde agusuo ɛne ebo mampanfo ɛtiba meka sɛ maame ayiko dwumadie no enyakopo ayad magda kwesira but ɔkyena fiada me bosume da to so da dumie 9 am pepepe on Adom TV yɛde cooking show no ebro maame ayiko ne tubehia kwame oboade ɛna afe maame boat so mo ɛna ehia ma omamoderate sa cooking for mommy dwumadie nti ɔkyena kai sɛ anopa no kro pepepe na ɛno so ahyɛhyɛ so betwa na live Adom TV so na wanya bi ahwɛ nipa sia ya yayimu a mo atwere ma me ho nsɛm aka ma me ho nsɛm pa yɛbɔ mabaso no wo nso abasobode de nyinaa ayɛ krado afi ne yɛse de yɛsi ne yɛso yɛsɛ obi a ɔnyɛ maame ana obi a onim so hwɛ obi a ɛnyɛ ne ba ne wate ne ɛhwɛ no ɛfɛ na adoptive mothers no ɛna ne yɛhwɛ afi saa manfo ne etu ne som so na yɛbɔ mabaso afi ti nipa nsia ne asalete omo information mo de buy ye scrutinize ye hwɛ mu ne sampa we mu se fata se ye bɛbɔ mabaso saa manfo no nyina no on the 14th of May 2023 ye bɔ mu nyina baso ne abɔmɔ manfo nyina so mamamo nyame nhyira mo enyamu a enke ni hanom isa so bɔ ade bɔ ne ma nyina wie ye ɔbɔ ba akopɛ ne ohia ba akoka ho a ɔma adwuma na ye mre ɛne ɔba ɔna bɛtoa abɔde so ti ma nyina ye mamu nyina ayiko me mama yire Mrs. Elita insia boaten happy Mother's Day nyame enhyira no nhyira ne onua no enyina ɛna me no hye komode bia say about edambubugu a ekoso ye mamu enye earthquake na asi but when ba won se na dan abu na nipa gye no ba bia enye ye de ne kokosi eye botia no asori dan ya edwiri egu ye no ɛho that okay nice one why video no ready me be show komo bia abanam senior oga south botia na ba bia sada na edwiri gu ye by kind courtesy of GBC yadamase samusa wadawomanti yes aka sa video yi omna yes sa interview na nura any abanam senior oga south edi sa enkomo no min ka hwe say but data already ye take what hwe nura abanam senior oga south any GBC for edi about the edwiri gu ye botia no ɛho.
Here to ascertain the situation, and a team has been formed to go into the collapse of this building. And we have given the team 5 days working day to come out with the findings. So let's all wait patiently for the outcome of the findings. We'll make it public to everybody.
All right, so how did you receive the information? What were you told about the project itself and the people, what happened to them and all that? What did you hear? How were you informed?
What I know is that the church has collapsed, and yesterday I wasn't around, but my team came to ascertain the situation. Today I'm here myself to also look at what happened. So what I'm trying to say is that just give us a few days and we'll come out with the findings. Right. We just finished with our music meeting.
Okay. Now me person me can be asa ni abosa video. Oti asmo kan ya pa committee ni panum so mo fa 5 days in investigation everybody jam hey ya pa ni panum so mo fa 5 days in investigation ni anam so bi e ma so dan ebuye. Don't forget I saw dan old video ya na yesi bi di ato so aye old video na yesi bi di ato so eti owura Joseph nyane Steven abanam siri wo gas out en hyehyɛ abanpan fodi agu akwam sɛ obi esi dan ya oni so no why you list him omo di ni nyina so report be na dia ma before kwese be investigation am ayenim no one by bia no mu esi dan no monya nkrata sima kire nyina sɛ ɛyɛ asodan ne esi o asori dan ene esi eti won hyehyɛ wa akwamu nyina ase de for edan bia eso say test even soil or say materials be no mo de aye adwuma contractor be en na ye na de mate say ohine yo potemo so ania bread ni say contractor no kwa ye nche no enye contractor no kura Joseph Steven Nyane abanam si so ye nche no Also yɛ yes honorable or see a show na okofa document breye about that building here that office report on that building here what office so the breye asakwa is investigation we nyame de die nwafo fie enna sabre no na nipa ehye de nim bebre sa e kan ye besi enya de ketwa all like they see was Pintex ya da dwumefo wo mu ya da ne dwiri e de gu omuso ya kasas until say the political officers no hold the position on them no you be hold them responsible for certain things of this nature no be no be say ho and na me ka kire o me kom de yi me boss de to no ye ja na ye kofa contractor me wa ya pow me boss ya pow MMDCs some of mani ko say so be sit dan ya ya won hye ye de gu akomo se sa nhye no otimi edi so ye gas atorentem ensi but see be si dam na dwere gu de no ha wo ho enya earthquake o enya asase so de si Ghana o but see be si dan ama dan adwere gu ye memu de enya issue. So I think say what Ayon Rosa MC when you said na me ni wo et na no to only report about South na yes no adey she Ayon Rosa ya di AC sa asoja we and I saw should say shame so pani adaso no eye ni guase she Ayon Rosa batwa mu di AC sa dan we adey sika pebenko sika pebenko asoi no sika pebenko e so fu wa ofie e na wo sie ti woni we de beye se tata wo sie amese se ya chi MC no am tutu na no e won sem na se asem boni afamra no ani no a bibie no e besesa e be koso dwegu saa medical cartos Ghana Adom ebre bia ne ma esesa bia ya de a affect the political authorities anytime wa bibi affect the political authorities no ene ma be say sie nyame fasa ma na dwegu MC ni so a ena ki ahya se toto ne ma tentem ena dwegu minister bi so a ena MP bi wo na ka dwegu ni so a ena kan ma hya se efa but because enyo mu bia enfo mu bia ho enyo bi asem inferior goods ya so no edi esisa aso down we ni eja kwache contractor no kwa ni eja sofo no nipa na dan ye ne dia no ni eja MC no because na meni ha tiate committee ye first come no say ni kwa o report na da office dey catch MC gas out MC report na da office on dey catch abasa aso down no mu si no it's a shame anyway ba mu de maka kire mu se monyam na mai bibi mampani e wono no ye kan onya ho hwe enkosi aga president Kufa ba bi akodu no wonya ho hwe onkosi aga wontra se de besi BNC na akodwo mpianim to officer na ka wo MC da so to no se sebete committee something that wanim me did yakwesensia are people's forum ye ko ningo pram akwa but before that you go be the phone so me buy say